Narito po ang isang hindi masaya, isang malungkot na balita para sa industriya. Ito po ang kwento ni Tita Gloria Romero. Bago po ang kanyang 91st birthday last December, labas-pasok na po si Tita Glo sa ospital because of her deteriorating health. But until the last days of her life, she remained cheerful. Sabi nga ni Marites, ang kanyang anak, she will miss the jokes of her mom. Kahit tatlo lang sila sa pamilya, kasama ang kanyang anak na si Chris, they always had fun in the house. Nakausap po namin si Marites at Chris. Narito po ang clip of what they shared about the great and beloved Gloria Romero. Panoorin po natin.
One of the last conversations me and Lola had, she said, Chris, matanda na ako. Wala na akong mabibigay sa'yo, nabigay ko na sa'yo lahat. And then I was telling her, Lola, ang dami mo na nabigay sa amin. It's okay, you already gave us so much. Thank you for everything. Until the last moment, she was still trying to give pa rin. That's the kind of person my Lola is. And you can see it naman po. That's why everybody loves her.
I believe that God was the one who gave my mom to me to take care of me. I think it's really planned. It was planned. It was our destiny, and also for Chris. It's all God's plan. Thank you, everybody, for loving my mom. I mean, for 70 years, she's been in the industry. And people, nung araw yung mga old people, well, senior people, ngayon mga bata nga because of GMA, nabigyan siya ng yung lola, daikon, yeah. So, ang lawak ng age gaps ng mga fans ni Mama from matanda to children. So, I think my mom was able to deliver and give herself until the last, up to her 70th year. Imagine hanggang bata na abutan pa nila si Mama. Me and Chris, we thank everybody for that. Salamat.
Marites, Chris, ang aming taus-pusong pakikiramay. Bukas magkakaroon po ng public viewing for everyone who wishes to say their goodbyes to Tita Glo. Mula 9 a.m. hanggang 1 p.m. po yan sa Arlington Memorial Chapel, dito po sa Quezon City. Bukas din po, we will dedicate our episode to celebrate the life and career of Miss Gloria Romero. Makakasama po natin dito ang isa sa kanyang pinakamalapit na kaibigan na si Miss Boots Anson Roa at ang isa sa kanyang mga anak-anakan sa industriya ng showbiz na si Amy Perez. Tita Glo, you were loved, and alam niya na mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal namin siya.